Hello, my name is Harry Hampson and today we are at Port Solent Marina where I will be showing you over Asbo, the Fairline Targa 47 GT. So I'm going to start from the bow and walk all the way down to the stern and hop on board and show you around the boat. As you can see, the gel has stayed in really great condition. She was built in 2007 and launched in 2008. She is currently in her third ownership and has lived her majority of her life at this marina in Port Solent. Just coming around to the stern, you can see that there is a garage here. At the moment this has a 3.5 metre ribeye tender in the back, however it's not included in the deal. Just to give you a perspective of what you could fit in there, a jet ski Spark and a mini jet Williams would fit in there very nicely. So at the stern we have teak laid platform, still in very good condition. And as we move forward into the cockpit, we have teak laid throughout. It's a lovely, light, airy space with lots of natural lights coming in, especially when we open the roof. Over to port, we have the wet bar. As you can see, there is a sink, a griddle. Down below, we have a fridge. And over on the right-hand side, we have an ice maker. All still in very good working order. Just come back round over to port. You have sort of a half moon shaped settee area, and over to starboard we have our helm position. We have a hybrid Raymarine Axiom plotter. So just looking over the controls here, we have bow thruster with the Lenco trim tabs, all Raymarine plotter autopilot, and very visible switches, a very nice place to be when going along. Just going to open up the roof, which is electrically motorised. Just follow it all the way back. It just creates such a lovely place to be on a lovely day. It's a little bit grey here in Port Solent today, but obviously you can imagine what a great place this would be on a very lovely sunny day. Here at the front you have a space for a twin sun pad, also with port and starboard fender inserts. Just looking back round at the space we have here, you have a half moon shaped seating area with a lovely reconditioned teak tabletop. Underneath you have access to the twin D9 Volvo engines, 575 a pair. And also to stern you have another sun pad area with stern access into the engine room where you will find an Omen generator. All the canvas on the back is still in great condition. All the window panels were replaced back in 2018. As you can see, this table extends out and, as mentioned, in exceptional condition. Just a little bit more fender and warp space underneath with deck lights. Moving down below now, you'll be greeted by a cherry finish with a tan interior. You have a full working hob and oven space there, fridge freezer full size, coming round with another table space and dinette area. Over here we have a fitted television with hi-fi system and DVD player, and a Bose surround sound system upgraded by the current owner. More head unit and hi-fi systems down here. And then we go to the master. Situated forward. It's a great space. There's a lot of storage in here above and below. We have twin hanging lockers either side, which are both mirrored, and the same as the rest of the boat, great natural lights coming through. In here, in the ensuite, we have a shower, separate shower tray, electric heads, and nice sink area with mirror. Again, really nice and light in here. Very airy, lovely space. Moving back into the saloon area. Just have a quick look at this table over here. Again, finished in the lovely cherry. This also drops down and there's an infill cushion to create another double berth. Moving down into the twin cabin. Lots of space in here. And looking back, we have another wall-mounted TV. Still finished in this dark cherry. Double hanging locker with drawers and mirror. Lots of headroom in here. So moving into the ensuite we have here, very similar to the owner's cabin. We have a separate shower with electric heads, sink space and mirror. Just a great space in this bathroom area. This will conclude our tour. Thank you very much for watching. Please get in touch with the motor team for more details. Thank you.